SO1 Hartz Wax BMP. So I'm going to try this out. This Toyota Camry 2024. We have an auto fiber pad here. This is the one with the plastic in the middle, so it doesn't penetrate all the way through. And then for removal, we have the best towels in the world. This is going to be a Clean Korea collaboration with Carbon Collective. Purchased this through Detail Division. These guys here, you already know, Car Supplies Warehouse. Use Details 10 if you want to save some cash. So we're just going to apply this here. We don't have the sprayer, but we're going to apply to the applicator pad. And we are simply going to buff this on like a wax. That like wax here. As you can see, it's already flashing. See it flashing? And let that flash. And this is going to remove existing waxes, polishes, and sealants. And it's going to leave behind. Oh man, super smooth. Sal, want to do the other half of this side? Go ahead, just apply it like a coating.
You already got it on here?
Yeah, on the red side. Do half. You go faster. You don't need to be. You're just getting it on there. It's flashing already. Just do that top part, and then go ahead and remove. Let me know what you think.
Oh snap! That feels nice.
Smooth, huh? This gives a good amount of protection. This is going to leave long-lasting wax protection. So SO1 Hartz Wax BMP SO1. Pretty much just a apply and remove. You can see here, provides gloss, good amount of protection. Yeah. What do you think about that, Sal? How easy was that?
That was easy. It even feels easy.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. Thought this was going to be a longer video, but I guess not. It's pretty simple. You want to apply some right here, Sal, to this section in the sun so they can kind of see. And then I'm just putting a little, so you can see, just put a little bit there. It says to put a spray nozzle on it, but I forgot the nozzle today. So, and all we're doing is just getting coverage. We're not having to be super technical. This is just wipe on, wipe off. And you could do a whole car and then come back and remove. But yeah, see, it's flashed. You can see the haze on there quite a bit. Quite a bit of haze. And this is going to remove all existing waxes, even traces of tar. It says it'll remove.
I like it because it's not leaving anything behind. I don't know if it's the towel.
It's picking. They said it picks up nice. It cleans up after. So I guess right here, Sal. I guess you can call it kind of like a cleaner wax in a.
Oh yeah.
But you could definitely see that shine.
Oh man.
So KCX, this is a 9.2 on the gloss scale, and you could definitely see that shine. But there you go. Hartz Wax BMP SO1. Go pick it up at Car Supplies Warehouse. Discount code details 10. Save some change. We're gonna finish up the rest of this car. It'll probably take us about 5 minutes to finish this car. You could use this on rims. It doesn't really say anything about glass, so we're not gonna touch it on the glass, but definitely gonna get the whole painted body with this stuff because it's easy and it's fast. So we're liking it. So we're gonna keep this with us. We're gonna keep it on hand in the van. Okay, overall review on this product, we're really liking this. It goes on extremely easy, removes even easier, without streaks, without residue. it's pretty much pulling everything from the surface off with it. So there was even some areas where we had some droplets of water coming down, and I went over it with this just to see how it would react, and it did amazing. Look at the gloss we're left with behind. It's just crazy. It has that nice Kosh Chemi glow. You know, anything that's a 9, pretty much all their sealants and waxes are a 9 and above, and you just have that nice glow. As you guys know, this finish of vehicle doesn't always show you the best gloss, but this vehicle looks coated. So very happy with this product. I would say this is probably, I would call this a new age liquid wax. It goes on, easy to use. It's not super thick, easy to remove, very consumer friendly. I would say for the pro, or if you just like to have your car waxed, and you know, it gives long lasting wax protection. So this is probably something I'll give to Pops, and I'm sure he's really going to enjoy it. But check it out, S001 Hearts Wax, 9.2 on the gloss scale, KCX, with another one.